the company Jean-Louis Frésard is located in Charquemont, in the Doubs. Situated in the heart of Pays Horloger, the company has sought, over time, to preserve its know-how but also all of the mechanism, supplies and outfits needed to repair antique watches. The diver watch Jean-Louis Frésard is black dial, hour display with white indexes, seconds hand at 6 o'clock, luminous hands, date at 15 hour, removable black crown without flaws, chrome-plated casing with a diameter of 37 millimeters, screwed back with its old protection. It has French mechanical movement cup of 233